fact, we have some big breaking news now coming in on the same story. Swati Maliwal's first reaction. Swati Maliwal has now finally tweeted on this entire matter, breaking her silence. She says, and let me quote, "What happened to me was very bad. I have given my statement to the police on this entire incident that happened to me. I hope that appropriate action will be taken. The last few days have been very difficult for me. I thank those who prayed for me. Those who tried to do character assassination said that she was doing it on the instructions of the other party. May God keep them happy too. An important election is going on in the country. Swati Maliwal is not important. The issues of the country are important. There is a special request to BJP people to not do politics on this entire incident." This is what Swati Maliwal has had to say as she took to platform X to finally break that radio silence that was being maintained by Swati Maliwal so far. Let's quickly go across to Anshul Singh, who's joining me live on the newscast. He's been tracking all the latest developments for us. Anshul, first of all, share with us the details of that police complaint filed by Swati Maliwal today.
So yes, finally after more than 72 hours, in fact, since the incident has happened, Swati Maliwal has given the complaint to the Delhi police. She has recorded her statement in detail about the turn of events that transpired on the morning of 13th of May when Swati Maliwal went to the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister. Now, this entire complaint that has been given by Swati Maliwal runs into more than 2.5 pages, is what sources have confirmed to CNN News 18. Also, Swati Maliwal has named Vibhav as an accused who assaulted her inside the CM residence as well. Not only this, but Swati Maliwal in her complaint has given the exact details on what issues did the entire incident happen. Interestingly, the police is in fact registering the FIR as we speak. In the next few minutes, the FIR will be registered officially by the Delhi police, which means that Vibhav will have to be arrested at the earliest. One of the most important things that sources, high-level sources of the Delhi police have confirmed to us is that Section 354 of the IPC will be invoked. Section 354 of the IPC means outraging the modesty of a woman, and this is a heinous crime, and this actually warrants an immediate arrest. At this point in time, as we speak, Vibhav Kumar is with the Chief Minister. In Punjab. Other than that, Vibhav Kumar is scheduled to go towards Maharashtra tomorrow as well. It remains to be seen how quickly can the Delhi police now make sure that this entire complaint that has been given, it is converted into an FIR, post which we can expect that finally Vibhav Kumar will be taken into custody. The FIR is going to be very, very interesting because it remains to be seen if at all Swati Maliwal has named someone else in that FIR as well. So in the next few hours, we will get the details of what sections have been imposed, who are the people who have been named in this FIR. But yes, the process has started, and probably the countdown for Vibhav Kumar has also started.
All right, and interestingly important to also highlight, if there are other sections that can be imposed, what are those sections if there is a probability of that happening, Anshul?
So yes, there are several other serious sections that can be imposed. It depends on the complaint that has been given by Swati Maliwal. If she actually goes ahead and says in that complaint that during the brawl that broke out between her and Vibhav touched her inappropriately, then other serious sections could also be imposed. Section 376 of the IPC could also be imposed. The entirety of this section, the entirety of this entire FIR now depends upon the complaint that has been given by Swati Maliwal, the 2.5-page complaint that she has given, detailing the minute-by-minute things that happen, the sequence of events that transpired inside the residence of the Chief Minister. So it remains to be seen what all things has Swati Maliwal told the police. But sources have confirmed to us that Section 354 of the IPC will be invoked, and that means that Vibhav Kumar will have to be arrested at the first go.
All right, many thanks to you, Anshul, for bringing in all those inputs. In fact, we are getting in some more breaking inputs at the moment.